it's Becky from AVS, and I'm here to tell you today about a really fun program that we're starting in January. The cost for that is $50. And the $50 includes the 12 blocks that are like this. So this is our tan version, and we also have a gorgeous burgundy version. In January, we're going to start, and you're going to come to a meeting on either a Friday or a Saturday. The way it works, you finish your block, you come to the next meeting, and you get your next one for free. Oh no, what happens if you don't come to the meeting? Say you had a heart transplant. We're going to say, congratulations on your new heart, $5 please. But I was in Hawaii on a vacation. Oh, well guess what? You get to pay $10 for your next block. And at the end, you're going to have this gorgeous quilt. We hope to see you soon at Rise and Shine.